What's up, boys and girls? Today I have a second edition of the Home Depot specials for you guys. That video I posted yesterday, a ton of people liked, and a ton of people actually commented saying there was a couple other items that I missed that I wanted to share with you guys. So I went to Home Depot today, found a couple more deals. Here we go, guys. Deal number one. I did a vacuum review. Obviously yesterday we talked about the hose kit that you can get at Home Depot right now for an incredible deal, basically 50% off. It's at 25 bucks. That's the auto detailing kit. You get the long 10-foot crush-proof hose, bunch of accessories, awesome little deal. So with that, guys, my preferred vacuum is the little square one. It's like 110 bucks. I'll have it linked in the description for you guys. I did a full review on that. But because this is such an outstanding deal, there's two vacuums actually on sale at Home Depot. Both of them have the specs that I love, which is a 5-peak horsepowered motor. Anything above that, it tends to kind of stick to the carpet and kind of makes it hard to vacuum. Anything below is not quite, obviously not as powerful. The 5-peak horsepower seems to be that sweet spot. I love it. That's my favorite spot. So first off, guys, you have this little guy here. Now you'll see this vacuum with wheels and tons of detailers use it. The only reason I like the other one is because I can actually use it as a step as well. So I really like that. But this thing has the same specs. It's a 4-gallon capacity, 5-peak horsepower. Let's go ahead and pop this thing open so I can show you guys. So it's a fantastic little vacuum. The only thing different really is the housing of it compared to the one that I always have loved. So let me go ahead and pull it out of here for you guys. It comes with a bunch of stuff. It comes with a big canister bag. This is the hose that it comes with. Now, guys, this is what I was talking about in the video where I was talking about the crush-proof hoses. These things are pretty crappy. Like, they just sponge in. When they do that too much, then they crack. As opposed to this guy, I'm gonna squeeze this thing hard. Ready? And I can get it to sort of compress, but it is so much stronger than this guy. I'm right-handed. My right hand is stronger. Cannot compress the orange one. This one's just collapsing in. So that's why I recommend getting that attachment kit. Again, it's on sale at Home Depot right now for 25 bucks. Now, back to the vacuum. Hose is crap, but nice, small, compact little unit. I do like that, especially as a mobile detail company. Every square inch of our vans or trucks is priceless, and we need to be able to fit stuff in properly without being too big. So this little guy at this small footprint is fantastic. And anyways, guys, really quickly, I'm not doing a full-blown review on this. We're getting the same performance as the other one, so it's fantastic. It just doesn't have wheels, same as that one, but it has the handle up top. Anyways, guys, this thing is normally $79.88, 88 cents, I believe, and it is currently on sale for 49 something, basically 50 bucks. So $30 off this little vacuum. Fantastic choice. Fits in your garage on shelves really easily, in your truck, whatever else you need it to. But definitely pair that up with the better attachment, the better hose that there is also on sale. So with that, guys, you're in it at 75 bucks plus tax. That's cheaper than just the vacuum normally. Go get that one. Let's move on to deal number two. All right, guys, so for deal number two, it's a little more hidden, I guess. Someone told me about this, so I went on HomeDepot.com. The only one that I could find on sale for 50 bucks was the one that we just talked about. However, when I went to Home Depot to buy that, I found the other one, the one that the person was telling me about. And this one is a 16-gallon, 5-peak horsepower vacuum unit. Fantastic choice as well here, guys. Just depends on your preference. Do you want a big unit that you're going to be able to do more work with without having to empty? Or do you want the smaller unit that's more compact that fits into more places? For me, I like the smaller unit. However, the larger capacity, this thing retails for 100 bucks, and it's currently on sale also for $50. Fantastic price. Go check it out. Decide between which one you want. Now, again, I can't find this 16-gallon one online. I'll look again. If I can find it, I'll link it in the description for you guys. But I was looking, I couldn't find it earlier. I looked in the whole vacuum section at Home Depot. Couldn't find it. This was just out in one of the side aisles. It was a special deal. 50 bucks for a 16-gallon, 5-peak horsepower vacuum. Fantastic deal, guys. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing really quickly. I'll show you just a quick overview of it. You can see the size of it, and then we'll move on to deal number 3. All right, guys, so here it is. the big boy. And this does come with a little bit more kind of attachments, so you can actually vacuum up floors a little bit easier. So you're gonna get more attachments with this one than you are with that one. That one just comes with the bag, a filter, and then a little crevice type tool. So limited on that one. So on this one, guys, let's go ahead and pop her out of here. Again, way bigger unit, way, way bigger. It does come with these two attachments. You can extend these out like so, and then you can use it like a normal stick vacuum as you're moving along. I never use these. I always throw these away personally. Just, I don't have the place to store them. You can't store them right on top here, but for me, I toss them. But right on top's a little toggle switch, super easy. Take the top off. And we have the filter that it comes with. We have the same kind of hose. Again, not crush proof at all, so definitely upgrade your hose. That auto detailing kit fits on all of these, so no worries there. And then you get, let's see here, let's open this up, make sure we know exactly what we're getting. We get a floor tool, handle for the top, wheels for the base, and then the little wheel extensions, and that is it. So I guess what they're doing here, guys, is making these cheaper kits. They're just limiting the amount of accessories that come with it. This is the only attachment that you're gonna get. As far as that one goes, let me grab it real quick. So the other unit comes with this little attachment, so you can vacuum the floors, and it's nice because you can get down into smaller spots as well. But that's all they're giving you. So with either one of these guys, you're gonna wanna upgrade to that auto detail kit hose. You get the better hose, you get a couple of different attachments. It's just the way to go. So that's it for that one, guys. Let's jump into deal number 3. So the third deal, again, I don't have this in my possession right now. I ordered it. The only way I found it was available online. None of the stores around me have it. But this is their 40 volt, 1500 PSI, 1.2 GPM cordless electric pressure washer. Now, a lot of people have been asking me to do a review on this thing, so I'm super stoked to buy this. Really excited to get it in and I can do a full test. I apologize I don't have that capability right now because it's not here. But just so you guys can see, this is the unit right here. Let me pull up a picture. There it is. So this little kit is great because you get the pressure washer, you get two 40 volts, I don't know what amp hour batteries they are, but 2 batteries and the charger along with all the accessories that come with the pressure washer anyway. And it's currently on sale for $100 off. So it's an expensive unit. It's normally $499. It's on sale for $399. So it's definitely expensive, but I'm really excited to check that out. I just wanna let you guys know about this one as well, because if you were kind of considering that thing, this is probably the time to buy it because it is on sale. Again, it should be shipping to me very, very quickly. So hopefully I'll get the review out on this thing pretty soon here so you guys can make an educated guess on it. But regardless, it's Home Depot. Buy it. If you don't like it, return it. It's no big deal. So that's it, guys. That is all I have for you today. Those 3 more deals. We're not even into Black Friday and all that kind of stuff yet. And these are some screaming deals. Now, a lot of you kind of asked, should I wait till Black Friday? Are they going to go on a deeper sale? I don't know, but I can't really imagine them discounting some of these things even deeper. So, for example, the 16-gallon vacuum at 50% off. I don't think they're gonna go any lower than that. That vacuum, again, what is that? I don't know what the percentage, 40% off? Let's see here, it's normally 80, 40% off would be 30, yeah, basically almost 40% off. I don't think they're gonna go any deeper than that. The hose attachment, like I talked about in the last video, is 50% off. So personally, I would go buy these now. Again, it's Home Depot, so keep an eye on it. If they do discount it a little deeper, you could probably go to customer service and they'll probably adjust it for you. I don't know for sure, I've never done that, but I would assume so. It's a giant corporation, right? So anyways, guys, that's it. I hope that helps you. Go get this stuff if you're in the market for it. Again, I have no affiliation with Home Depot, no affiliate commissions or anything like that. I just wanted to bring extreme value to you guys, let you know of these deals because I find them to be fantastic. So I wanted to share that with you. Anyways, guys, I hope that helps. Please like the video, make sure you're subscribed, turn on the notification bell. We'll see you on the next one.